Please explain the preferred way to save symbols and footprints, directories, and libraries.
Sure. Yeah, look, there's a personal question. So personally, what I do, because I like to think a little forward as well. I like to store any libraries that I use for a given project inside the project folder, so that when I make a copy from, say, my working hard disk to an archival hard disk, I can safely just take one folder, the project folder, put it away, and I'm done. And I know that if I need it again, everything that the project requires is within that folder, so it's all self-contained. You see, and again, like I'm making some assumptions here about how much you've used KiCad. KiCad gives you the option to install libraries at the project level or a global level. And I personally, that's why I said it's a personal choice, I personally always go for project. I want to separate projects so that when I upgrade or when I archive my projects, so when I upgrade KiCad and when I archive my projects because I'm done working with them, I know that they're always self-contained. And then when I upgrade, I don't have to worry about breaking dependencies in the way that I've linked libraries to various projects. Another issue that I'm having, and that might be kind of not so common, is because I have to work with multiple versions of KiCad on multiple operating systems as I'm working through my books. I really value the ability to have all my projects with the dependencies in the same folder. So I want to be able to copy the project folder from, say, my Mac KiCad to Windows, and I know it will still work. I'm not going to have to mess around with installing additional libraries to the various operating systems. Another thing that I'm slightly worried about is that as KiCad is progressing through newer versions, I do suspect that they might be tweaking the way that the library system works. Right now, it's compared to its competitors, I feel that it lags a little bit in features that have to do with teamwork. So libraries and teamwork, it's kind of a central feature there. And I think that eventually KiCad will start introducing teamwork type features, which means that you're going to have kind of a redesigned library system, more database driven or server type driven. And then things then with the libraries will start becoming a little bit more interesting. And even for that reason, I want to make sure that my projects will not be broken as I'm going, say, to version 9 and to version 10, etc. So that's my personal preference. I always store libraries for a project inside the project library. And I just add one more tip here, is that I do have a folder where I store all the libraries that I've used across my different projects. It's like a central library folder, so that and that's always on my hard disk, my working hard disk, so that if I need a library that I remember I used in some project that is now being archived, I know that I'll have that copy somewhere in a live hard disk that I'll be able to get to very